So now what we can do is, now we have point. The next step is to create surface. It's actually in the logical order. So here you go to the surfaces, right click and say just create surface. So this will ask you to create a team surface. You just keep everything, you can even edit the name if you want. From here just edit your name. I will say tutorials for tit and surface. Okay, tutorial surface, and say okay. But we can't see anything yet. Here you will see a small icon. The plus icon has appeared and the surface has been created under surface. But the surface is not yet complete. We need to add the data here. No points data has been added yet. So go to the point group option and say right click and say add. Click on add and you add the all points. Okay, and say okay. Now your point has been created. Once you click on the model space, your points with the will create a surface and the contours will be displayed. The styles again can be adjusted. You can go to the tool space and right click on the surface and go to the surface properties. Then you will have the options how you want to display your points. I will just keep it default for we are just going through the steps in this tutorial. So the more details will be displayed. I will talk about more details in later tutorials. Okay, so our surface is done.